20 Audi RSQ8 with the HaloTrack Plus. So on this system, you can see where the vehicle's been, see where it currently is. If we zoom in, we'll obviously see where it is. We don't want to disclose that in this video, but this system also allows you to kill the vehicle. So as you can see now, car starts up, totally fine, runs, not a problem. This customer's going to be renting out the vehicle and wants to be able to disable it remotely. So if we hop onto the vehicle, scroll through, cut off the vehicle, type in the customer's password, press OK. It will send a command. Once that's successful, the vehicle's not going to be able to start. So you can do this anywhere in the world. So obviously, if someone had taken the vehicle, not paid, you need to disable it wherever they are, send that command and the vehicle's not going to start up. The vehicle's not going to start until you recover it through the app. So we'll go into the app. You've now turned up at the vehicle, you sent someone there to get it, re-enable the vehicle, recover it, type in their password, press OK. Once it's successful, you'll see the vehicle fire up. Successful. Now if we start the vehicle, fires up straight away. This is the HaloTrack Plus. We're Immobiliser fit. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.